Beautiful day today and very nice weather on the way for the next couple of days, gradually warming up, turning a little more humid, but not uncomfortably so. It will be a warmer feel definitely on Friday with maybe an isolated shower, kind of looking ahead to the next stretch of our parades. Right now outside though, mostly clear skies, temperatures on the cool side, 52 degrees. Now the dew point 44, that's still pretty dry, but as the temperatures come down a few more degrees, that humidity goes up and it definitely will have more of a damp feel. Already kind of a damp feel outside right now. It's that cool, damp weather that we always see in the winter. 40s and low 50s outside at the moment with dew points in the 40s and even some low 50s. So temperatures are not going to drop a great deal more, and I don't think the dew points will fall either as the winds are light. So we don't have any drier air moving in, and temperatures will be able to come down a few more degrees. So as we get the day started tomorrow, likely in the 40s. Well, also during the day tomorrow, and I still think a lot of sunshine, but notice cloud cover moving in from the west. We will see a little bit more of a mix of sun and clouds, but mostly dry through really the majority of this week. Again, there's a 10-20% chance for an isolated sprinkle on Friday, but that is not going to be an issue for our Friday parades. The question mark remains on the scattered shower chances Saturday and Sunday. The models are in not great agreement with our rain chances, nor are they in perfect agreement with rainfall on Mardi Gras. Going with the GFS, it is a fairly strong front sweeping on through with rainfall early in the morning, then the rest of the day temperatures dropping and very pleasant weather for the evening and night. And then cool, dry weather on the way for Mardi Gras Day. So here's what's happening. We've got the upper disturbance that brought in the storms over the weekend moving away. And now we're setting the stage for our next disturbance, troughing already along the west coast, helping to bring that area of the heavy flooding rain persistent over the next several days. What we're going to start to see is not really that upper trough, but an eventual upper trough that will form along the west coast that'll bring us the rain chance. Before that happens, we start to see this pattern change, a southwesterly flow aloft. What that does is it starts bringing back the cloudiness. So over time, first we see the increase in humidity temperatures, then we start to get the increase in cloud cover, and then eventually this disturbance brings in a chance of rain for Saturday and Sunday, sweeping through early Monday or at some point Monday, bringing with it cooler, sunny conditions for Mardi Gras Day. Here's the differences in the model. Saturday morning, based on the GFS, rather dry as we go throughout the day Saturday. Some spotty to scattered showers. The majority of the rain, though, stays to our north. This is going into Saturday evening. So bit of rainfall during the day, maybe a little bit more during the late night. And then here we go starting the day on Sunday. More rainfall coverage and at times maybe a few heavier downpours that continues into the afternoon and evening. Then here's the front for early Mardi Gras morning, sweeping through and clearing us out. So we'd have about a 30-40% chance of rain on Saturday, maybe about a 60% chance on Sunday. Now the Euro, completely different. Still the frontal boundary is well to our north, but during the afternoon on Saturday and through the evening, almost nothing around southeast Louisiana. Going into Sunday, maybe a better shot on the North Shore, but again, almost nothing in the metro area. So the Euro, would keep us dry with the GFS a little bit more aggressive. And then here comes the front on into Mardi Gras noon. We really have not gotten into the rainfall. So the Euro is completely different with our weekend rain chances, but also those rain chances continuing into Mardi Gras. Now, most of the model guidance is indicating low rain accumulation. This would not be a flooding type event, but certainly some more nuisance rainfall that just doesn't make the parades as enjoyable to be out. Interviewing a lot of folks, I'll say it's going to rain. It doesn't matter. It kind of rains at least 1 or 2 parades every single Mardi Gras season. And if we have to deal with that, you just do it. Now, our rain chances, again, are not expected to be flooding or severe. So that is the good news for Sunday. If this forecast holds, again, stay tuned because there have been a lot of changes. Temperatures will be dropping throughout the day, Mardi Gras, and staying chilly, sunny for Mardi Gras Day.